All right, guys, so I have two real examples here with two realtors that I know that came to me and said they want to make $100,000 a year in real estate. And I have two different examples. One of them, the way she approached it was, I'm gonna make $100,000 or I'm gonna try at least shoot for to sell 24 homes. And the way that she went ahead and approached that was she started putting sticky notes all over her house, you know, her refrigerator, and shouting out affirmations saying, I can close 2 homes a month, or I can sell 24 homes a year, and I can make $100,000 in real estate. The other one said the same exact thing about her goal, but instead she set daily goals that will help her achieve what her outcome is going to be in a year. And the other one also spent at least, and she knew exactly how many hours she needed to do in prospecting every single day. And she knew how many appointments she had to go on also with her clients every single week. Which one do you think actually achieved that goal? So Realtor A, after 3 months, had 1 deal under contract, and Realtor B, after 3 months, had 6 deals under contract. And it's very simple, guys. When you are setting up any type of goal, it's very, very important to know what the micro goals are in order for you to achieve the overall goal. And it's the same thing with anything that you're trying to achieve. You cannot just set a goal all the way and throw it out there and without exactly knowing what the micro steps are to get to that goal and actually hitting those micro goals every single day or every single week. So make sure you guys are doing what Realtor B is doing when you are trying to achieve that income goal or that amount of transaction goal. If you like this, please save it, share it with anybody that you think might benefit from this.